Cryptocurrency exchanges are digital marketplaces where traders can buy, sell, and exchange cryptocurrencies. They play a crucial role in determining the market price of cryptocurrencies. Centralized exchanges, CEX, act as intermediaries between buyers and sellers. They offer higher liquidity, faster transaction processing, and more trading pairs compared to decentralized exchanges. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, operate on a blockchain network without a central authority. They offer greater security and privacy, as well as control over funds. Hybrid exchanges combine the features of both centralized and decentralized exchanges. They offer higher liquidity, advanced trading features, and more security and privacy compared to centralized exchanges. Security is a top priority when choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. Look for exchanges with a good reputation and advanced security features. Consider the reputation of an exchange by checking online reviews and forums. A good reputation indicates trustworthiness and reliability. Consider the fees and commissions charged by exchanges. Look for exchanges with reasonable fees and transparent fee structures. Look for exchanges that offer a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. The more trading pairs an exchange has, the easier it will be to execute trades. Consider the liquidity of an exchange. Higher liquidity means there are more buyers and sellers, allowing for quicker and fairer trades. A good user interface is important for ease of use. Look for exchanges with a user-friendly platform and advanced trading features. Consider the availability and responsiveness of customer support. Look for exchanges that offer 24/7 support and have a helpful community. Some exchanges offer educational resources such as tutorials and webinars. These resources can help users learn more about cryptocurrency trading. Research and understand the regulations surrounding cryptocurrency in your country. Look for exchanges that operate in your country and comply with local regulations. Exchanges have different verification levels and requirements. Understand the verification process and requirements of each exchange before trading. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Encourage viewers to choose a cryptocurrency exchange that meets their needs.